Hello. The most important quality of good teacher, sound knowledge of subject matter, good communication skills, concern for students' welfare, effective leadership qualities. The best option is sound knowledge subject matter. A teacher must have a strong grasp of the subject to explain concept accurately and effectively, would have deep knowledge, good communication skills, or leadership qualities would not be enough to deliver quality education. Students trust teachers to provide correct information, which forms the foundation of their learning. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for facing. Let us now bye bye. See you again.